Hey guys, this is Madhu and I welcome you back to my channel, The Lifestyle Edit. If you don't know me, this is my channel, The Lifestyle Edit, and I make videos on beauty, fashion and lifestyle. I upload a video every Wednesday here on this channel. So these days there is a video which is trending a lot and it is about following a makeup artist on YouTube. So I have gone through a lot of videos where people have actually tried to copy the makeup look or the look that Shreya Jain, the great Indian YouTuber, has tried to create. So what I thought was, let me also try it. I know I cannot be as good as Shreya Jain, but there's no harm in trying something like that. So here's the video, and what I'm doing is I'm trying to create a look that Shreya Jain has created back in November, and it's a very basic subtle look. There's nothing very fancy. She had tried to create that look using all the Indian brand products. I'll be using different products definitely because I don't actually have all those things. So I'll use my own makeup things and will try to create the exact look. Let's see if I can do that. So without wasting much time, let's begin the video.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a type of video which I used to do so much back in the day as a serum which you can use pre-makeup, post-makeup as a night serum or a million other things, whatever you want. So I'm going to be using this to prep up my skin.
So the very first thing which she is using is a serum, and definitely I don't have it. But what I'm going to do is to moisturize my face. I'll use little bit of Dabur Gulabri and I'll just spread the rose water on my face so that it gets absorbed in my face and it helps supporting the makeup that I'll be doing.
Prepped up, I'm going to move on to primer, and for primer I'm using Pack Cosmetics Bouncy Primer. I've been really liking this primer, and by that I mean this much liking. I am almost about to hit pan on this one.
So next what she is doing is she is using a primer which obviously I don't have. So I'll use my own Desi Pie and she is using it under her eyes, but I'll be using it all over my face. And you can see the difference. I have just applied the rose water and the primer on my face, and the face is so shiny.
For foundation, I'm going to be using the Studio West Pure Passion Flawless Finish Foundation. Again, this is the foundation that I really like. As you can see, I've used up a lot of it. I wanted to use products which I genuinely do like as well. I did not want to use anything which is Indian, so let's just put it on my face.
Next thing is obviously the foundation, and I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours Foundation. I'll apply it all over my face and come back to you. I let the foundation settle on my face for a few minutes, and it will automatically get absorbed and match the color of my skin.
For concealer, I'm going to use the Pack Take Cover Concealer Crayon in the shade L12 and L11. L12 is like my skin tone but with a slight peachy hint to it, and L11 is slightly lighter than my skin tone. So I'm going to start off with L12 and I'm just going to apply this to hide any darkness and ensure that my skin does not look grey once I apply a lighter concealer on top.
So the next thing what she is using is the concealer. I'm going to use this Blue Heaven makeup concealer and just apply it at the regular places, that is under my eyes. And I'll just blend it properly.
I'm going to be cream contouring today using the Nykaa Skin Genius Foundation Stick in the shade 07. Just because again I haven't found a great contouring powder in India till now. That's just my opinion again.
Next thing what she is doing is contouring her face. So what I'll use is this Maybelline eyeshadow palette, and I'll use this darkest brown color to actually contour my face. So let's try it.
Without contouring. Next up, I'm going to blush up my cheeks, and for that I'm going to use the Studio West Pure Passion Radiance Blush. This is in the shade Dusty Rose, and this shade is so super close to NARS Orgasm. It is beautiful.
Next thing, she is using a blush on her cheeks, so I'll do exactly the same. And again, this time also I'll use the Maybelline eyeshadow palette to, you know, put a little bit of blush over my face.
Which is going to be the PAC Baked Highlighter. I'm definitely having a PAC moment right here. Even the next product that I'm going to be using is by PAC, so I'll try not to use any more PAC in this video at least. But yes, their library, their product library is so huge, you guys. So this is in the shade 02, and it's a beautiful highlighter. Like, look at that highlighter. It is gorgeous.
And next in line is a highlighter. So again, I'll be back to the same Maybelline eyeshadow palette, and I'll be using the lightest shade for highlighting. And believe me guys, it works as a wonderful highlighter, and I'll apply it at the regular places of highlighting. So on the bridge of my nose. See, you can just see. You can see on your own the wonderful effect that it creates and gives such a great highlighting to my face.
Start off with my eyes. I'm going to fill in my eyebrows using the Caliber eyebrow pencil. Now this is not the best pencil out there in the market. I really haven't found an eyebrow pencil which I love in an Indian brand. Although I do really like the PAC eyebrow palette. There's a lot of eyebrow colors.
Next what she is using is an eyebrow pencil. What I'm going to use is my Nashio eyebrow kit, and I'll just do my eyebrows. Looks fine. I think this looks fine.
Now this really wouldn't be an Indian brand tutorial without good old Lakme. So I'm going to be using the Lakme Illuminating Eyeshadow Palette. This is in the gold variant. And I'm going to be using a Bharat and Doris blending brush. This is the Eye Buffer 63 brush. I'm going to start off by taking this color right here. It's a beautiful warm color, and I'm going to apply it in my crease to just warm up my crease.
Next in line is the eye makeup. This is my Wet n Wild Nude Awakening palette, and she is using something similar to this. So I'm going to start with it,
and I'm going to apply it in my crease to just warm up my crease for few.
And what she has done is she has applied this on her crease. And next what she is using is a very deep brown color, which is something similar to like this. So I'm gonna use this now and apply it all over my crease area. Next she has used this some wine color from Nykaa's palette, and I'm going to use this in place of that. Let's see how it goes.
Well, I'm then going to be making a nice wing liner, and for that I'm going to be using the Blue Heaven Sketch Eyeliner. I really like this eyeliner and I've had it for a while. A lot of you wanted to know if this dried out quickly or not. I've had it for 6+ months and it hasn't still dried down and gives me really black and pigmented lines. Let me just show you in a while.
She has then applied some liner and I'm going to do exactly the same. She has also created a wing. Next, she has applied some highlighter on the inner corners of her eyes and on the brow bone. So I'll do exactly the same.
For mascara, I'm going to be using the Color Essence.
This next thing what she has applied is some mascara. So I'll do exactly the same and add some volume to my lashes.
Next up, I'm going to apply lashes, and my lashes are not by PAC like you would have guessed. They are by Glomia, which is also an Indian company. These are in the style striptease. The lash band is really thin, they're really comfortable to wear. Now, I really do not have an eyelash glue by an Indian company, but I do have a sample that I'm trying out. I'm not sure when this will be out or if they're launching this or not, but this is a sample, this is a factory sample from an Indian company. So
final thing what she has done is applied the false lashes. I'll try it. I'm not an expert and I have never done it previously. I think once or twice only, but I'll try it this time and see how it comes.
For lipstick, I'm going to be mixing two colors. I'm taking the Sugar Matte as Hell Lip Crayon in the shade Holy Go Lighty, and I'm going to top it off with the L18 Colourpop's Matte in the shade Mauve Date, which is one of my favorite shades.
Next thing what she is applying is lipstick, and she has used some mauve shade. I have this Lakme Enriched Lip Crayon and I'm using this Mauve Magic. Let's see if it looks fine. I'll keep it like this, otherwise I'll apply some other lipstick over it. And more or less her lip color was like this only, but still I'll apply another lipstick over it, and it is this blushing pink from Lakme Lip Enrich Crayon.
I'm going to take the Color Essence Shimmer Highlighter, which is basically just glitter. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that on my finger, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pat it on my eye and try not to get a lot of fallout.
Finally, she had applied some shimmer over her eyes. I don't have shimmers with me, so what I'll do is I'll try to use this shimmery light baby pink color on my eyes, and let's see if that works. So guys, this is the final look that she has created and that I have tried to create following her. I don't know if this pays justice to what she has done, but still this is what I can do to my best, and I don't know if you guys would like it, but I'm sure that this has reached somewhere near to what she has created. So this is it guys, this is what I wanted to do for today's video, and I hope you guys would like it. Please hit on that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's very important for me. I'm a new YouTuber and looking for more subscribers so that I can get more videos on my channel, so that you guys can be entertained or you learn something or you find something new on my channel, but you'll have to subscribe to me for that. So please subscribe to my channel. Until then, live crazy, be beautiful and keep your environment clean. Bye bye.